Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Melissa. If you're new here, please make sure to subscribe. In today's recipe video, I wanted to show you how I make this simple and gorgeous no-knead bread. It's only 4 ingredients: flour, water, salt, and Rapid Rise yeast. First, we start off with 3 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of our Rapid Rise yeast, and we're going to mix that up. And then 1.5 cups of very warm water, not hot water, just very warm water. And we're just going to mix this until it forms a ball. And once that comes all together, we are going to put that into another bowl and cover with saran wrap and let it rise for 2 to 3 hours. And I decided that I wanted to make 2 batches of this because I wanted to try letting another batch rise and then putting it in the refrigerator for a couple days to develop some more flavors. So we're just repeating the steps from before. And this one felt a little dry, so I'm just adding a little bit more water. Then adding to a bowl and covering with saran wrap again. And when the dough doubles in size, or after about 2 hours, it's time to preheat the oven to 450 degrees. And we also put a Dutch oven inside to preheat along with it. So I got my first batch here, and I'm going to place about a tablespoon of flour onto my cutting board. And then dump out my dough on top of it. And we're just going to kind of deflate it a little bit and shape it into our beautiful loaf. And now I'm going to switch to my hands and just fold it over a couple times. We aren't kneading it, we're just folding it over. And then we're going to kind of fold all of the edges under to the bottom side. And then we're going to get some parchment paper and kind of place it on there, keeping its round shape. And once the Dutch oven is preheated, we are going to place this inside. Be careful because the Dutch oven is super hot. We're going to cover it with the lid and place it back inside, and this will bake for a half hour with the lid on. And then once the half hour is up, we're going to take the lid off and bake for another 12 minutes. And here's what it looks like after 30 minutes. And put it back in for an additional 12, and then we're just going to give it about 10 minutes to cool off a little bit and rest. And isn't this absolutely gorgeous? It's so simple and easy to make, and it doesn't take much time at all, and the recipe is super easy to remember. Alright, now let's slice into it so you guys can see the inside. And there's the inside. It's nice and steamy and warm, just as bread should be. So I decided to make this bread today because recently I made some compound butter using some of my favorite herbs and spices, and I thought what better thing to try this compound butter on than some freshly baked bread, all nice and warm, so delicious. So we're going to try that out right now. And if you guys want the recipe for this compound butter, I will leave a link down below, and there will also be a card at the top corner of this video. So make sure to go check that out next. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know down in the comments below. Give it a thumbs up. And if you end up making this bread, please tag me in your photos on Instagram. I would love to see them. And I also wanted to let you guys know that I recently started a TikTok, and that will be linked down below as well. Please give it a follow. And yeah, alright guys, I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. And I will see you guys in the next video.